In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to delete sales territories from your AlignMix map. So now let's zoom into the New England area where we've got all of our territories. There are a couple ways that you can delete your territories. The first way is to right-click on the territory you plan to delete to pull up the Radial tool. And then here in the bottom, you will see Delete Territory. And then you can simply click here to delete that one territory. Now you may be wondering, what if I just use the Touch Align tool and simply remove that territory? Well, you can do that, but that doesn't delete the territory. That just unassigns all of those zip codes. So for example, let's do that here for this Hartford territory. I will use Massachusetts West to absorb that whole area, like so, and now there's no part of Hartford anymore showing up on the map. But if I go to a new tab and open up a territory table, and we search for Hartford, let's sort here alphabetically, and we scroll down, you'll see that Hartford exists still in the map, but it has 0 zip codes assigned to it. So we still have that Hartford territory because we haven't deleted it. So in this case, we can simply click the checkbox here and delete that territory from this territory table view. And that's the second way that you can delete your territories. Let's go back to our territory map view, and let's zoom out a little bit. Let's say there's multiple territories that we would like to delete. Well, using the Territory Lasso tool, I can lasso more than one territory at a time, and then when I let go, you will see a summary for all those lassoed territories. Clicking on Next, I can now click on Delete Territories, and this will delete all the territories that have been lassoed in that territory lasso. And there you go. You've just learned the 3 ways of deleting your sales territories here in AlignMix.